Hello guys, welcoming you all to a new video in Baggage Job channel with me Betsy. A job interview is considered to be an opportunity to sell ourselves to a potential employer. So during the interview session, our skills, our experience, our qualifications, everything will be evaluated, and based on this evaluation, the company will decide whether we are best fit for the organization or not. Today, we will be seeing in detail on certain interview tips, what are the generally asked questions and how to respond to them, and also how to prepare ourselves for different types of interviews. Since the video is going to be a bit long, I'll be uploading it in series to save your time. So if you're watching my video for the first time, do not forget to hit the subscribe button, and also do share this video among your friends who are looking for jobs so that it will be helpful for them. So without further delay, let's get into the detailing of it. So let's begin with the interview tips. Among the interview tips, the primary tip is to make your first impression the best impression. An interviewer will judge you in the very first few seconds. So it is very important to make that first impression the best impression. And for this, the crucial part is your attire itself. You need to have a professional looking outfit. Also, please ensure that you are never late for the interviews because that gives a very bad impression. Try to be at least 10 minutes before the scheduled time in the interview venue. The next step is a very important step, but you will be doing it before the interview session. That is, prepare or research well about the employer you're going to be interviewed or the interviewer. Pre-interview research is so important that only if you do your research, then you can demonstrate your knowledge during the interview and impress the employer. So how do you do this research about the employer? It's very easy. You can always log into their website. Whichever company has called you for the interview, try to get the name of the company and the website so that you can do your research well in advance. The third interview prep tip is selling your abilities and skills. So interview is your chance to demonstrate why you are the best fit for this particular job. Usually for recruiters, job vacancy is a gap to be filled, and you must market yourself such a way that you are the solution to their problem. You must know your CV and job description really well, thoroughly. When I say CV, that is your profile, and when I say job description, that is the employer's requirement. So you need to know these both really well. So with your qualifications and your skills, you need to demonstrate with examples why you would be the best choice for the employer. And also you need to show how you can be successful in this particular job if you are given an opportunity. Next tip is the most integral part of your interview session, and that is use STAR method to respond to your questions during the interview session. How do you use STAR method? I'll be explaining you now. Until 2019, you could clearly claim during the interview that you were a good team leader, you were a good team player, so that wouldn't affect you much. But from 2020, you need to demonstrate with examples and prove whatever you are saying during the interview session. It is a must to show the interviewer that your skills mentioned in the CV and the skills that you say during the interview are genuine. So if you notice from the beginning, I'm always saying in all the tips that give examples, right? So how do you give examples? For that is why we use the STAR method. Here in the STAR method, S stands for situation. Here you need to give a context to the story you are going to tell. And T stands for, in STAR the next comes T, and T stands for task. So what did you do during this story? When I'm saying story, the experience which you underwent. What did you do during that period? And did you come across any challenges while doing that? That is task. Then comes A, that is action. When I say action, it means that what were the decisions that you took to overcome the challenges that you faced during this experience? And next comes R. R is the result. Definitely that's going to be the outcome you got after you took the decision to overcome the challenges. Keep this in mind, which I explained to you now, that is our STAR method. Try to work out a few examples as well from your previous experience, or as I mentioned you earlier, and use it during the interview session smartly to crack the interview. The next tip is improve your body language. You must not be aware that your body language speaks a lot about you. So you need to ensure that you are presenting yourself really well during the interview sessions. Avoid fiddling with pen, jewelries, or slouching in your hair and all that. You need to look really confident and professional for the interviews. So keep a small, broad smile and also try to have a proper eye contact with the interviewer. Apart from this, using your hands a lot while talking can actually animate your stories and aid communication. Next tip is stay calm during the interviews. If you have really prepared well for the interview, then be confident. Be aware of your breathing throughout. If you feel more stressed, then try to take some subtle deep breaths so that you can stay calm. Listen carefully to the interviewer so that you don't miss out on their questions, and focus on the answers you have already prepared. Next tip is to build rapport with the interviewer. The most successful job interviews can happen when there is a connection created between you and the interviewer. By doing this with the interviewer, that is by creating the rapport with the interviewer, you are enhancing the chances of being memorable. So how can you build the rapport? You can turn your interviews into more like a conversation rather than a question answer session. And before you leave, let the interviewer know that you had enjoyed talking with them and thank them for their time. So the next tip is to ask your interviewer some valuable questions. So you must be remembering in tip number 2, I have told you to research about the employer. So while researching about the employer in their website, it's quite obvious, or by default you will have many doubts in mind. So note down those doubts and keep it ready. By asking intelligent questions during the interview, not only creates an impression that you are a serious job seeker, but also makes you stand out from the crowd, because about 90% of the candidates who appear for the interview will obviously say that they do not have any questions. This is a usual trend which I'm seeing. So this is your time to hit the goal. The 9th tip is practice the interview techniques and responses. We will see it in detail very shortly on generally asked questions and how to respond them with examples and all that. But you need to understand that this is a very tricky session, because you can expect questions based on your work experience, your stressful moments, your most difficult decisions made, and many more like that. This is basically to judge you from all the aspects. Having said this, please ensure that you don't give a very mechanical kind of a responses to your interview questions. Advanced preparation is basically to make you more comfortable and confident, and not to give responses artificially. So now we have reached our 10th tip, that is the last tip, which is to be followed after your interview session, that is follow up after your interview. So this is a major step which all the job seekers ignore. Once your interview is done, it is your right and your duty to follow up with the interviewer. or with the recruiter or whoever you are in touch with for the interview process. Having said this, do not pester the HR or the recruiter with your constant follow-ups. Once in a week would be ideally good to follow up. So these were the 10 interview tips which I wanted to share with you guys. These are quite important tips which you need to follow. Now shortly we will be seeing on what are the different kinds of questions, that is the generally asked questions during the interview session, and how to answer them with smart examples. So as I already mentioned initially, in order to save your time, I'll be uploading the videos in series. So we will be seeing about the generally asked questions and responses and all that in the next video. So stay tuned until then. Do not forget to share this video among your friends, especially those who are hunting for job. As I always say, share and care for each other. So stay tuned until my next video. Thank you for watching.